Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this powerful POWERADD power bank. It's very versatile. It has 2 inputs and 3 outputs in a very compact, very nice, beautiful design. And as a charge indicator, we do not only have 4 LEDs, we have a digital display. It has a capacity of 10,000 milliamps, a maximum output power of 20 watts, and supports quick charge and PD. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you how capable this is.
So here we have the box also with some specs, and we can also see the model type. So let's open and see what we get. So we get the power bank, we get even a wall charger, we get the charging cable, which is USB C2c, very modern style, and here some instructions manual. If you're interested, you can see that here. I hope it's focusing, and here also the second page, but actually it's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you most of it anyway. There's some nice protection here as well. Also the display. So everything seems to be really nicely built, sturdy, and very, very beautiful. Watch this power bank. One of the most beautiful power banks I've ever seen. Also underneath has this really nice white matte finish, and here we have the ports. We can see the input here. USB-C is input and output, and we have micro USB input and 2 times standard USB output. And to turn it on, we have to push here on the side so we can see the current charge. And so of course first we give it a full charge. I'm using different charging cables so you can see how fast it is charging. We can see it's charging with 19 watts, which is pretty fast. So also this charger seems to be pretty strong, and so we can see how fast this is charging. This is just a couple of minutes later, we are already at 53%. So with the included wall charger, it takes less than 2 hours for a full charge. And so I'm testing here the different ports for the compatibility, and you can see it has a huge range of compatibility for quick charge and PD for all kind of phone manufacturers. I think I've never seen more green than here. Absolutely fantastic. But we do not only have this great compatibility and high performance on USB-C, but also on the both USB-A output. Of course there's no PD because it's not possible. PD, it's only possible on USB-C, as we know. But it's not only showing high numbers in the protocol testing, it's also showing high numbers in real testing, as we can see here. So we do this ramp up test here to see how much power we can pull out here, and we are already above 20 watts. And we can see a final result at 12 volts with 2.1 amps. That's close to 25 watts maximum output here on USB-A. And when we do same thing with USB-C, we can see we have exactly same numbers here. So we have same output of around 25 watts maximum on all the 3 ports. This is then also the maximum power which we can get out of this power bank in total, but we can share them among 3 devices. As we can see here, they are charging all 3 at exactly same time just from this one power bank. We can see the charge here, we can see charge here, and we can see charge here. And so of course we also want to know how much capacity this power bank has, and so I've tested this with these 2 USB testers. And what I have found is 20,000, yeah, now it disappeared, 20,000 and something watt hours. I have tested it with a little bit higher voltage, so we cannot go with the milliamps here, so we have to calculate with the watt hours. 20,000 divided by 5 volts is around 4,000 milliamps, and as a rule of thumb we can consider everything above 50% of the listed value is a good value. This would be 5,000 milliamps at 5 volt. Everything below is unfortunately not such a good value. Here we have 4,000, which is quite below of the 5,000 unfortunately, which is a little bit disappointing, of course. I mean, it's not super bad, but it's definitely below expectations. But on the other side, we have something really nice, even though when it has stopped, I mean, there's some electronic insight saying, okay, we don't have any power anymore. We are stopping to prevent any damage of the battery, and then sometimes these power banks won't turn on again. And so if you're out in the woods, you need some extra power, just a little bit, maybe to make a phone call or so, and then the power bank won't turn on, then you are lost, you have nothing. Here in this case, you can see you can always turn it on, and there's still a little bit of power. It's not much, but just a little bit, and this can maybe help you to survive. So that's a good thing for me. That's on the positive side. And of course, it's a beautiful thing. I mean, it's not expensive, really nice, beautiful, has a lot of functions. We have a lot of power, but I mean, combined 20 watts is not extreme, but at least we have it on 3 different ports, which is not bad. And we have the digital display. On top of that, we get a lot. We get this nice C2c charging cable. We get this wall charger and this beautiful power bank. And at this price of currently just a little bit above $20, I would still say, yeah, why not? And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope we've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.